This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Margot Dunn. Beautiful move-in ready maintenance-free one-level condo located in popular Cherrybrook. This updated unit features an open floor plan with 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, gleaming hardwoods, new tiled flooring in bathrooms and kitchen, and spacious living room with cathedral ceilings. Master bathroom has a double vanity and newly updated walk-in tiled shower with glass door. Gourmet kitchen has stainless steel appliances, new faucet and disposal. Step out onto your lovely backyard with newly expanded patio area with surrounding pavers. Convenient location near I-75's, shopping and restaurants, and downtown. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Margot Dunn at 865-693-1111.